Now, to draw a globe, actually I might start a bit further up. You want a roundish circle like that, and then you want a bit like that thing, yeah. Then you want to do that and that. Okay, see that, and then you want a little thing on the top, because they're the guideline, and that's actually where the, although I might do that a bit lower and a bit more curved, okay, and do that bit about there, and I'm going to bring that round there to a bit there, and bring that down to a little stalk, and bring that. I might redo the stalk bit at the bottom. Hard because I'm actually drawing it smaller. I'm actually drawing a small version on an A5 bit of paper, and you're seeing it big because I've kind of zoomed in a bit, so you kind of get a closer view like that. Okay, right, and then we want to ink it in with my rotary pen. Rotary pens are in fact waterproof. Okay. That's it. And then before we do any shading, we're going to draw in our countries first. So first of all, we want to draw North America in there, sort of going to come round and down there into South America, and then we want Antarctica and North Pole. Something like that, and just kind of making it up. And then we want the bit with France and Greece and Italy around there, and that can go up. Maybe we want a bit in there for Denmark. That can go round like that for Norway. Should do. And then there's England, just in there with a little bit there. Then that can be Africa, down there. Now let's ink in. Then, so that's just going to be there. There is a bit sticking out there, isn't there? There's always a bit sticking out there. I don't think it looks much alike. I don't know. I'm just making it up as I go along. That might be out there, I don't know. That's Italy and Greece. That doesn't look like a boot, no. Although they say it looks a bit like a boot. If you're looking at a globe, it might do. And that meant to be Africa. Join that bit up there. and then. And when you are sure that the ink is dry, you can rub out those pencil lines, but we could go straight ahead and colour it in. But before we do that, we want to add the longitude and the latitude lines. So we'll do longitude. I think if we do latitude first, we need to go out there, and they're the points that the latitude, I think, lines are probably going to come from. They're probably going to echo that shape around there. That one's going to have a slight curve, but not too much, because you're looking straight on. That's sort of going to be there. And rather than use your Rotring pen, I'm going to use a thin drawing pen, which is thinner than a Rotring pen, just to kind of put those lines in place, because you really won't see those lines very much. And these are latitude lines. I thought put latitude lines in first, because they go around, it's kind of getting the points right. And I think before I put the longitude lines, I might do that. And the longitude lines are going to go round at an angle, aren't they? No, wait. How do you do those? How do you do those? Because the bottom ones, your top ones you do like that, and the bottom ones you would do like that. Okay, that's the equator. That would just be, I don't know, the equator would be like that. That would just be, I don't know, I'm just going to stick like that for now. I don't actually know. Longitude. These are the longitude lines, don't know. That one might go across there. That's the equator. That one's going to go across there, and that one goes across there. The equator will probably be a bit thicker than that. I don't know. Sort of like that-ish. Then you can rub away all those pencil lines, because we need to colour it in. Now we can start colouring it in. I hope they're dry. Have I got water in this? Yes, I do. How are we looking in the camera? Remember to have a bit of that? Might do a bit of dabbing as well, so you can still see the Rotring pen lines. Because sometimes when you go over the Rotring pen lines, it covers them up. With a Rotring pen is waterproof, so it doesn't smudge when you're colouring in as much. It doesn't smudge when you're colouring in because it's waterproof. It's pigmented ink, they are. The drawing pens are supposed to be as well, but I don't think they are. The drawing pens are supposed to be as well, but they're supposed to be waterproof, but they smudge when they use. But these Rotring pens are pigmented ink, Tikographic Rotring pen, and they are pigmented ink, and they are definitely waterproof because they're not even smudging. Look at that, they haven't even smudged. Not one single drop. What number am I using with Rotring pen? Oh, 0.3 I use for this drawing. I usually use 0.7 because it's the thickest. So, and then we can do a bit of green. And as you're watching this part, well, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and watch my other ones, because if you subscribe I'll upload more videos. Obviously it's there, so when you subscribe you can see more. And check out my other videos, how to draw a bee and how to draw a cat, and my vlogs and things, because when I go out I sometimes do vlogs when I go out. And so yeah, make sure you're tuned for more videos. Now I'm going to add a bit of shadow around the edge there, maybe a bit across the bottom. There you have it, how to draw a globe.